Okay. Good evening, all of you. Can you hear me? මම හෙනව නේද පුතේ හැමෝටම? අන්වි එනුලි ඔයාලට මම හෙනවද?
Yes, please.
Yes, teacher. Okay. Today we are going to start new topic. It is your lesson number 3. Fractions. Fractions. Okay, write down the today topic, fractions. When it comes to fractions, it is also a particular kind of numbers, okay, that we used. You also have used the fractions from grade 6 to so far. We have applied certain kind of operations for the fractions, okay, that means addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. All those 4 operations we have used to fractions. Okay. Then what is a fraction? Just let's refresh that what we know about the fractions. We know the fractions ගැන දන්නේ. You may think that there is a one whole means you may think this is a one pizza. Okay. Then I want to express that I have eaten a particular piece of pizza out of this whole part. Okay. So then how I express this one? There should be a particular way to express that what is the amount of this pizza out of this whole one. Okay. So when it comes to this concept, first of all, we identify now you may think I have written some particular piece. Okay. You may think if I have eaten this piece and another 2 such kind of pieces, okay, like this. Then here, I can't say that I ate 3 pieces. If I say that, if I have eaten 3 pieces, the meaning is I have eaten this kind of 3 pieces. That means whole 3 pieces I have eaten, okay. But I have eaten actually 3 pieces like this, okay. That means out of one whole part, I have eaten 3 pieces of pizza. Then how I express this 3 pieces of pizza as a particular number, okay. Then here I need that if I consider this amount, the amount එක අපි consider කරොත්, out of how many parts is I have eaten. ඒ කියන්නේ කොච්චර ප්‍රමාණයකින්ද මම මේ කොටසක් කාලා තියෙන්නේ. එතකොට මේකදී අපිට දැනගන්න ඕනේ පුතේ to how many parts that this piece has been divided. That means we should know that how many total parts are there. Okay, total equal parts are there. Then look at here. If I consider this one, this whole one has been divided into equal how many parts? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then out of these equal 8 parts, I have eaten how many parts? It is 3 parts. Out of what? Out of 8 parts, I have eaten 3 equal parts. Okay. Then here I can say that this 8 is the total equal parts. This 3 is the number of number of pieces that I have considered, okay, or the amount that I have considered is written up of the or the top of this line, and in the bottom of the line we write the total number of equal parts that one whole, okay, එකක් මොකක් හරි එකක් කීයකට බෙදලාද කියලා. That one whole has been divided into equal parts. Okay, so when it comes to this one, now this is a fraction. There are two numbers in a fraction. So these two numbers are separately named as like this. The number that we write top of the line is called the numerator, and the bottom of the line we call the denominator. Then when it comes to fraction, what is mean by a fraction? මොකද ඇත්තටම fraction එකක් කියන්නේ එහෙනම්? Fraction is a part out of a whole. Okay? සම්පූර්ණයකින් කොටසක් තමයි අපි කියන්නේ මොකක් කියලාද? fraction එකක් කියලා. Is this one clear? මේක පැහැදිලිද? Okay, write down this one. I think you know that what is mean by fraction and all these things. How to do the operations with the fractions also you should know that, as you have learned these things in grade 6, 7, 8 and also in the 9. Okay, Puti, finish with the writing. Hello.
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Then, standing into the types of fractions. Now we know that when it comes to fractions, it consists of two parts, no? Numerator and the denominator. Then according to this, the size of these two, numerator and the denominator, we can categorize the fractions. Okay, look at how it happens. Write the first type. First of all, write the topic. Types of fractions. Types of fractions. First type is unit fractions. Okay, when the numerator is 1, then we call they are unit fractions. Okay, when the numerator of a fraction is 1, then it is called as an unit fraction. Called as a unit fraction. Unit fraction. Then, for example, 1 upon 2, 1 upon 3, 1 upon 10, 1 upon 100. Okay, these are the unit fractions. Next one is proper fractions. What are the proper fractions? When the numerator is smaller than or is less than denominator, it is called as a proper fraction. That means, for example, 2 upon 5, 3 upon 4, 8 upon 10, 7 upon 9. Okay, these kind of examples for the types of fractions. Okay, I think you can remember these things actually, but there should be a small refresh for your knowledge. That's why I am doing this. Please write down this one. ලියාගන්නකෝ. මේවා මතක නම් ඇති නේද ඔයගොල්ලන්ට නේද හොඳට? Okay, Pute, finish now. Unit fractions. Then let's move to the next kind of fractions. They are improper fractions. Third one, right. Improper fractions. When the numerator is greater than denominator, then it is called as an improper fraction. Okay. Then for an example, 5 upon 2, 3 upon 2, 7 upon 3, 9 upon 8, 15 upon 10, 99 upon 90. Okay, those kind of examples. That means here you can see always the denominator is greater than the numerator. The numerator එක වැඩි හැම වෙලේම denominator එක වැඩි. අන්න ඒ වගේ වෙලාවට අපි කියනවා ඒවට improper fractions කියලා. හරිද? Then the fourth one, they are mixed numbers. The mixed numbers, why we say mixed numbers, not mixed fractions. Don't misspell like mixed fractions. They are mixed numbers. Okay. When a fraction or when a proper fraction is written with, then a proper fraction is written with whole number part and yes, whole number part, then it is called as a mixed number. Now, actually, what is the importance of knowing this? We should know the conversions between these two. Okay. In mixed numbers mean 1 and 1 upon 2, 2 and 3 upon 5, 7 and 2 upon 8. Okay, these kind of ones. Always a proper fraction is written with the whole number part. Okay, then they are called mixed numbers. Let's see how we do the conversions between these two. When we have a mixed number when the beginning of a question, then first of all we should convert the mixed number into improper fraction. Then when we obtain an improper fraction as an answer for a particular question, then we have to convert improper fraction into a mixed number. Okay, so these two things are very, very important when we solve the questions relevant to fractions. Okay, then you should know what is the way or the method of conversion of improper fractions to mixed numbers and mixed numbers into improper fractions. Okay, write down this one. Okay, Pute, have you finished with the writing? Really very good.
Yes.
Okay, then shall we move to the next part? It is the most important part actually. It is the conversion between these two type of fractions. Okay, then write as a subtopic converting converting mixed numbers into improper fractions. Converting mixed numbers into improper fraction. Okay. Actually, you should know about this one. First example, 2 and 1 upon 7. Okay. Then how we do? First of all, we multiply, no? This one and this one multiply. That means the denominator of the proper fraction is equal to the denominator of proper fraction. Sorry, denominator of improper fraction is equal to denominator of proper fraction. Then multiply. 7 times 2 it is 14. Then after 1 is added to that answer. Then 14 plus 1 it is 50. Okay, this is first one. Second one. 3 and 2 upon 5. Okay, do this one. And tell me the answer.
1705.
Here 5 into 3 it is 15. That means denominator of the proper fraction equal to the denominator of improper fraction. Then 5 into 3, 15. Then 2 is added to that 15. So the answer is 17. Okay, very good. Okay. Another one. Okay. So this one and the fourth one. Try to solve these two. Okay, what are the answers here? 8 into 2, it is 16. 16 added 3, it is 19. No? Here, 9 into 5, 45 plus 1, it is 46. Okay, these are the answers. Okay, Pute, here it is about the converting mixed numbers into improper fractions. Then let's see how we convert improper fractions. Improper fractions into mixed numbers. Okay, write down this one. We have got an answer as an improper fraction. This is very important. Okay, then for an example, it is you have obtained 7 upon 2 as the answer. Then what you have to do? You have to divide 7 by 2. How many 2s with 7? 7 ඇතුළේ දෙකේව කීයක් තියෙනවද? 3යි. 3 වරක්ද 6යි. Then 6 is subtracted by 7 is 1. So when you write the answer, you have to start from here to here. What is that? Because we write 3, then 1. Then this is the order of writing the numbers here. Second one, 11 upon 5. Okay, do this one. බලන්න මේක ඔයගොල්ලෝ ගන්න. Then third one, 18 upon 4. Fourth one, 25 upon 3. Okay, try to obtain these answers. Okay, Putesh, have you got the answers? Here, 11 is divided by 5. How many 5s are there within 11? It is 2. 2 into 5 is 10. Then 1 is remaining. Okay. Oh, sorry. I have to start from here. මේ arrow head එකක් දාන්නේ ඔයගලන්ට රේසි වෙන්න හරිද? ඒ කියන්නේ අපි පටන් ගන්න මේ whole number එකේ ඉඳන් ඊට පස්සේ ඉවර වෙනවා මේ බෙදමු number එකේ ඉඳන්. So the 2 and 1 upon 5. What is the answer for this one? Third one, 18 is divided by 4. It is 4. 4 into 4, 16. 2. Then 4 and 2 upon 4. In this case, we can simplify actually. This is, we can write an equivalent fraction. That means simplest form is not this one. It should be 1 upon 2. So 4 and 1 upon 2. Here, 35 is divided by 3. Sorry, 25. No? 25. It is 8 times 3, 24. 4 is subtracted by 5. It is 1. Okay. Then answer is 8 and 1 upon 3. Have you got these answers? May answers everything or the letter? If so, please raise your hand. Okay. Most of you have got these answers, no? Very good. Then let's go to the identification of the applying operations to the fractions. Okay, let's see one by one. That means when we have only addition, when we have only subtraction, when we have only multiplication and division. Okay, how we do the operations to the fractions. Then when it comes to addition, write down addition of fraction. Addition of fractions. When it comes to addition of fractions, there are two ways of addition of fractions. One is the fractions with equal denominators, and other one is fractions with different denominators. First of all, I consider that addition of fractions with equal denominators. Okay. Then, for example, it is 2 upon 7 is added to 3 upon 7. What is the answer? Very easy. When we have two fractions, two or more than two fractions to add with equal denominators. Equal denominators mean here, look at the denominators are equal. Okay. So in such cases, it is we add only numerators. අපි එකතු කරනවා මොනවද? Numerators විතර. Second one, it is 5 upon 11 at 2 upon 11 at 1 upon 11. Here also you can identify that they are equal denominators, so no need to do any change here. We have to just do the addition with numerators. Okay, so 5 plus 2 it is 7. 7 plus 1 it is 8. 8 upon 11. Okay. Third one, 9 upon 10 is added 3 upon 10. Okay, here what is the answer we obtain? Here also denominators equal, so we add the numerators. 9 plus 3 it is 12, then 12 upon 10. Now you can see we have obtained an answer as an improper fraction. In this case, what you have to do first? You have to convert the improper fraction into a mixed number. So 12 divided by 10. How many tens within 12? Is 1 into 10 is 10, 2. So if you write this, it is 1 and 2 upon 10. And also you can see that the simplest form is 1 upon 1 and 1 upon 5. Okay. So when you have obtained an answer as an improper fraction, always you have to keep it as a mixed number. This is the rule of the fractions. Write down this one. Any doubts regarding this? මොන හරි ප්‍රශ්න තියෙනවද පුතේ? Okay, finish now. Then පුතේ ඊළඟට තමයි අපි යන්නේ the most important part of this addition, because you should know how to do the addition of fractions with different denominators. Okay? ඔයාලා හරියටම මේක ගන්න බලන්න. I will take the first one. You have to add 1 upon 3 and 2 upon 5. Okay, look at here. You can see that denominators are different, no? In such cases, we have to convert this into a one denominator. So how we identify the common denominator? We call common denominator. That means we make these two denominators into one value. Then we have to check what is the least common multiple. That means LCM. LCM එක මොකක්ද කියලා අපි බලනවා. Then you can see here in this case it is 15 no. අපිට පුළුවන් මෙයාගේ 3 times 1 it is 3. 3 times 2 it is 6. 3 times 3 9. 3 times 4 12. 3 times 5 it is 15. So we can convert 5 also into 15. 5 times 1 5. 5 times 2 10. 5 times 3 15. That means the least common multiple. අපිට මේ ඉක්මනින්ම හම්බ වෙන multiple එක මේ දෙන්නගෙම කවුද? It is 15. So to convert 3 into 15 we multiply it by 5. Here it is multiplied by 5 also, because what is the change we do to the denominator? We have to do it to the numerator too. Here it is multiplied by 3. This is multiplied by 3. So now 1 times 5 is 5. 3 times 5 it is 15. Here 2 times 3 it is 6. 5 times 3 it is 15. Now we have converted the two fractions into fractions with equal denominators. So what you have to do is you can add these two together. That means numerators can be added. It is 11 upon 15. Okay. Second one, it is 2 upon 3 added 3 upon 4. Okay, do this by yourself. Okay, body improper fraction. Sorry, when we have two fractions with different denominators, you should know how we convert it into fractions with equal denominators. Okay. Okay, Pute, please let me how we convert this into equal denominators. කොහොමද අපි මෙයාව equal denominators කරන්න මොකද කරන්නේ? You can first of all move to the highest number in between these two. Then after take the multiples of this highest number. 4 into 1, 4. 4 into 2, 8. 4 into 3, 12. That means 4 into 3 is also a multiple of this least number. No? This 12 කියන්නේ 3 මොකද්ද? Multiple එක. Then you can multiply this by 4 to obtain 12. This is multiplied by 3. This is multiplied by 3. So 2 into 4 it is 8. 3 into 4 12. Add 3 into 3 it is 9. 4 into 3 it is 12. Now 9 plus 8. Because now the denominators are equal. 9 plus 8 it is 17. And 17 upon 12. Okay. Then this is a proper fraction. So convert this into a mixed number. 1. So the answer should be 1 and 5 upon 12. Okay. This is very important when it comes to solve the questions with more than one operation. Okay. මේ වගේම අපිට හිත හිතින්න බෑ ඔපරේෂන් එකකට වැඩි දෙනකොට එකපාරට ඔයාලා මේ ස්ටෙප්ස් ටික හරියට දැන් බ්‍රැකට් එකක් ඇතුලේ මේ ක්වෙස්චන් එක තිබුණා නම් කොහොමද සිම්ප්ලිෆයි කරන්න කියලා දැනගෙන ඉන්න ඕනේ. හරිද? Okay, then shall we move to the next one? It is subtraction. Subtraction of fractions. Here also we consider the subtraction of fractions with equal denominators. Subtraction of fractions with equal denominators. Okay. When it comes to subtraction, it is also like addition. Okay. Addition වගේම තමයි subtraction කරන්නේ. Addition ගේ යාළුවා කවුද? It is subtraction. So look at first one, first example. 5 upon 7. 2 is subtracted by 2 upon 7 subtracted by 5 upon 7. Here also you can see the denominators are equal. So what you can do is you can subtract the numerator separately. Okay, because we have when we have addition or subtraction, to simplify a fraction, what should be there? Equal denominators. The equal denominators නැත්තම් අපි ඒව equal කරගන්න ඕනේ. හරි. Look at it is 3 upon 7. Okay. Second one, 8 upon 11 subtract 2 upon 11. Okay. Third one, 7 upon 18 subtract 5 upon 18. Fourth one, 10 upon 17 subtract 5 upon 17. Okay, hurry up and simplify these very easy questions. Okay, what are the answers here? We can subtract 2 by 8, no? Then answer is 6 upon 11. Then here 5 is subtracted by 7, it is 2. So 2 upon 18. Now, this is not the simplest form of the fraction, okay? When you have obtained an answer in a fraction related question, first thing you have to do is you have to convert that answer into its simplest form. හරිද? එයාගේ සරලම ආකාරයට තියන්න ඕනේ. එතකොට මොකද කරන්නේ අපි? We can divide 2 by 2, it is 1, 18 by 2, it is 9. So answer is 1 upon 9. 2 divided by 2, it is 1. 18 divided by 2 is 9. Because the common factor of 2 and 18 is 2. Okay. Then in this case, you can see here there is a whole number. Okay. So convert this into mixed number. 5 into 1, 5 plus 2, it is 7. 7 upon 5. Then 3 upon 5 is subtracted. So 3 can be subtracted by 7. It is 4. 4 upon 5. Okay. Actually, these are very simple questions. I am doing what I am refreshing what you have done in the fractions lesson so far. That means in the grade 6, 7, 8, and 9. Otherwise, if I teach you that this is the part that you have learned in the grade 10, කියලා මම පටන් ගත්තොත් එහෙම, then we have to start from the method of BODMAS. Then you can't remember. That means you will get confused with the operations. Then what is the process that we have to follow, all those things. But when we move step by step, then you can just turn and look at what we have done when we have equal denominators, what we have to do when we have different denominators, what is the difference between addition, subtraction, and division and multiplication. Okay, so to recognize all those things, I am doing this small summarize. Okay, then in the subtraction also, when we have the different denominators, subtraction of fractions with different denominator. For example, look at 7 is 7 upon 8 is subtracted by 2 upon 1 upon 4. Okay, so let's see here. Very simple question. No? What is the common denominator? Move to the smallest one. Then take 4 into 1. It is 4. 4 into 2. It is 8. That means we can move to the 8 by multiplying this by 2. So 7 upon 8. 1 times 2, 2. 4 times 2, 8. Then 2 is subtracted by 7. So 5 upon 8. Okay. Second one, do this by yourself. 9 upon 20 is added. Sorry, subtracted. 2 upon 3 upon 10. Very easy one. Okay, try to do this. Yes, Puti, what is the answer for the second one? Very easy question, no? 9 upon 20. Here, 3 upon, sorry, අපි convert කරගමු. එතන මොකද කරන්න ඕනේ? We can multiply by 2, no? So we can obtain it as 6 upon 20. Then 6 is subtracted by 9, it is 3. 3 upon 20. අමාරුද? නෑ නේද? So do you have any questions up to now? මේ දක්වා අපි කතා කරපු ඒවා මොන හරි ඔයාලට ප්‍රශ්න තියෙනවා නම් අහන්නකෝ බලන්න. Tashiana, Tanvi,
No, teacher, it's clear.
Jenuli,
No, teacher.
everything clear, no? Nikita, how about you? Did you refresh what we have learned so far in the fractions lesson?
Yes, teacher.
Amira,
Yes, teacher.
okay, Putin, then here I am going to move to the, now this is addition and subtraction, okay? It is totally different when it comes to multiplication, okay? But the sad thing is most of the students try to do the multiplication of fractions also like addition and subtraction of fractions. It is because they get confused with it. Always remember that when we have to add and subtract the fractions, we should have a equal denominator. That means a common denominator එකක් තියෙන්න ඕනේ. It is a must when it comes to addition and subtraction only. එකතු කිරීමටයි අඩු කිරීමටයි විතරයි මේ සංසිද්ධිය සිද්ධ වෙන්නේ. මොකද්ද? common denominator කියලා එකක් තියෙන්න ඕනේ. ඒ දෙන්නට විතරයි. හරිද? ඒ කියන්නේ addition subtraction එකට යන එක වගේ operations දෙකක් නේද? එතකොට multiplication division වලට ආවම ඒක සම්පූර්ණයෙන්ම වෙනස් වෙනවා. ඒක හොඳට මතක තියාගන්න. ගොඩක් students ලට ඒක පැටලෙන තැනක්. මම ඒකයි ඔයාලට ඒක highlight කරලා දුන්නේ. ඔයාලත් මතක තියාගන්න කිසිම වෙලාවක common denominator එකක් ඕනේ නැහැ multiplication division කරද්දී. Right, let's move to the multiplication of fractions. This is very easy. Multiplication තමයි ලේසිම. අය අරගෙන common denominator එකක් හදා ගන්න ඕනේ. Multiplication of fraction. If you know the correctly how to do the multiplication of fractions with equal, multiplication of fractions, that you know how to do the division also. Okay. So example 1. Look at here. 4 upon 3 is multiplied by 5 upon 12. Okay. Now, when it comes to the multiplication, you have to identify the common factors. හරිද? ඒක හොඳට ඔයාලට පුළුවන් වෙන්න ඕනේ දැන් common factors identify කරන්න. We can cancel the common factors in the numerator and denominator. This is the concept of multiplication because always we have to then it doesn't matter whether it is addition or subtraction or multiplication or division. However, our answer for the fraction should be in its simplest form. So when it comes to this case, you have to identify the common factors of the fractions. Okay, look at here. Then you can see that 4 and 12 ගත්තහම හරිද? We can divide 4 by 4. It is 1. We can divide 4 by 12. So 12 by 4, it is 3. Okay, then you should be able to identify these two. Then that means what are the highest common factors of these numerators and denominators? So then there's no. Now we can't cancel this one to this one. Never we cancel the denominator values denominator and numerator values for numerator values. We do not do like that. Okay. We just cancel for the numerator and denominator and numerator only. So now it's remaining 1 and 5. Here 3 and 3. So multiply 1 times 5, 5, 3 times 3, 9. So answer is 5 upon 9. This is its simplest form. If without simplifying this, if you multiply 4 times 5 is 20, 3 times 12 is 36, then this is not the simplest form of this fraction. Otherwise, when we multiply now, if we have more than two fractions, so the multiplication gets difficult. So it is better to identify the common factors. Okay. එතකොට හොඳට මතක තියාගන්න මේ මල්ටිප්ලිකේෂන් එකේදී අපි common factors identify කරන එක තමයි ගොඩක් වෙලාවට වැදගත්ම දේ. Okay, do this one. මේක කරන්න බලන්න. Third one මේක තියෙනවා. හරි. බලන්න ඔය ටික කරන්න ඕගොල්ලෝ. Identify the common factors of numerators and denominators and cancel. Okay, tell me the answer you get for the second one. Yes, Yenuli කියන්න බලන්න පුතේ. What is the answer you get for the second question?
5 over 33.
9 over 33.
5 over 33.
5 over. 7 divided by 7 it is 1. 21 divided by 7 it is 3. Okay. So 11 into 3 it is 33. 1 into 5 is 5. So 5 upon 33. Okay. So what is the answer you get for the third one? Yes, Nikita. What is it?
1/3.
1/3. Okay, let's see. 8 is now when you cancel the numerators and denominators, there's no order. Okay, you can start according to your desire. 8 divided by 4 it is 2. 4 divided by 4 it is 1. 2 divided by 2 it is 1. 2 divided by 2 it is 1. 3 divided by 3 it is 1. 9 divided by 3 it is 3. Then it is 1/3. Okay, it's clear now? මේක පැහැදිලිනේ? හරි. I will do 2 more questions relevant to multiplication. Let's see. Okay, Pute. Try to do this one. බලන්න පුළුවන්. First of all, what we do? Yes. Amira, මෙතන මොකද්ද මුලින්ම කරන්නේ?
Converting mixed number into improper fraction.
Very good. Converting mixed number into improper fraction. Okay. Okay. This is the good. These are the 2 questions. Try to do these 2. Okay. Yes, what are the answers you get here? Tanvi. Yes, Pute, what is the answer you get here?
2/3.
2/3. 5/4. Here 12/15. Here 2/3. Definitely you have to convert the mixed number into improper fraction. Don't start the question, don't start to solve the question without converting mixed number into improper fraction. Okay. So now we can simplify. 4 divided by 4, 1. 12 divided by 4 it is 3. 3 divided by 3 it is 1. 3 divided by 3 is 1. 5 divided by 5, 1. 15 divided by 5 is 3. 1 times 1 times 2, it is 2. 1 times 3 times 1, it is 3. 2 upon 3. Yes, for this one, Amira, what is the answer you get?
3 upon 10.
3 upon 10. Others, have you got these answers? One, 9 can divide by 3, it is 3. 4 can divide by 2, then 3 upon 5. Okay?
Excuse me, teacher.
Oh, yes, Pute?
Doesn't the two?
Yes,
Yeah.
yes. 2 times 5 is 10, no? So, sorry. Okay, thank you. Okay, the next one, it is division. Division of fractions. Division of fractions. Okay. When it comes to division of fractions, we have to replace the division by multiplication and we take the reciprocal of the second fraction. Look at example 1. It is 2 upon 5 is divided to 2 upon 3. So now we write 2 upon 5 and division become multiplication and we take the reciprocal of this fraction. It is 3 upon 2. Okay. Then for this 2 to 2 cancel. So 1 into 3 it is 3. 5 into 1 it is 5. So the answer is 3 upon 5. Second one. 9 upon 10 is divided by 3 upon 5. Yes, got the answer. බලන්න ඔයාලා කරන්න බලන්න. Then the answer for second one and third. Yes, what are the answers you get here? 9 upon 10, division become multiplication, and we take the reciprocal of the second fraction. නේද? reciprocal කියන්නේ උඩයට මාරු කරලා තමයි අපි දෙවෙනි fraction එකේ ගන්න. මොනවද පුතේ ඔයාලට මේක තාපු answers? Yes. Yenuli, what is the answer you get here?
1.5.
So let's see. 3 into 5, it is 15 upon 10. So we can simplify, 15 divided by 2, sorry, 5 it is 3, 10 divided by 2, sorry, 5 it is 2. So it is 3 upon 2. That means if we convert this into a mixed number, it should be 1 and 1/2. Okay, in this case, look at 2 upon 7, division become multiplication, and reciprocal of the second fraction, 5 upon 4, division become multiplication, and reciprocal of the next fraction. Always when we continue, take the reciprocal. දැන් මෙයාගේ reciprocal එක ගත්තා ඊළඟට මෙයා division කරලා මෙයාගේ reciprocal එක එනවා. හැම වෙලේම එහෙම තමයි කරන්නේ. second fraction කොට ඊළඟට තියෙන next fraction එකේ reciprocal එක. හරි මේකට මොකද්ද නිකීතා? What is the answer you get here? Yes. Nikita?
Teacher, third one, right?
Yes.
I got 15 upon 2, and we should convert it to mixed numbers now.
Yes.
Then 7 and 1 upon 2.
Let's see. 2 divided by 2, it is 1. 4 divided by 2, 21 is 3. 1. 5 times 3 is 15 upon 2 is equal to 7 and 1 upon 2. That means 7.5. Have you got this? What I will put in the answers. Hurry. Now we have completed 4 main operations that we have to apply for the fractions. Fractions will be apply කරන්න 4 main operations ටික දැන් දන්නවා. ඊළඟට ඔයාලා දැනගන්න ඕනේ, you have learned this in grade 9 also, but I am sure that you can remember this. When we have a particular given question, a word question, you can think that just an application, then it is in words. Okay? මොකක් හරි medium එකකින් තියෙන්නේ. සිංහල medium නම් සිංහලෙන් තියෙන, English medium නම් English වලින් තියෙන. But how we convert these words into mathematics? Okay? That means what is the operation that is relevant for the each of the words? Then here we learn one word, it is of. Okay? Now we are going to see how we simplify the expressions with of term. Okay, so the of කියන එක ඔයාලා හැම වෙලෙම මතක තියාගන්න, it is not only relevant for the fractions but also for the percentage lesson also. This is very important. We should know that of term is replaced by multiplication. Okay, look at, write down the topic, simplification of expressions with of term. Okay. Then for an example, 1 upon 3 of 6 upon 11. Look at. Then off term is replaced by multiplication. So it is 6 upon 11. Then we can here it is a multiplication again. So divide. 1 into 2 it is 2. 1 into 11 it is 2 upon 11. Okay. Second one. 2 upon 5. That means 2/5 of 1/2. Okay, we read this as 2/5 of 1/2. Now, actually, the reading the expressions also very important. නේද? ටීචර් කෙනෙක් වුණොත් එහෙම බැරි වෙලාවක් නේද? කොහොමද ටීචර් කෙනෙක් වෙන්න ආසයි නැත්නම්? මේවා කියලා දෙන්න පුළුවන් වෙන්න ඕනේ නේද? ගණන් ටීචර් කෙනෙක් එහෙම වුණොත් ඔයාලට ඉංග්‍රීසි වලින් අපි හරියට කොහොමද මේවා රීඩ් කරන්නේ කියලා පුළුවන් වෙන්න ඕනේ. දැන් ඔයාලා ගොඩක් වෙලාවට දැන් ඔයාලා රෙඩි වෙන්නේ O level exam එකට නේද? එතකොට ඔයාලට oral test එකක් නැහැ. ඒ හින්දා ප්‍රශ්නයක් නැහැ. written exam එකක් හින්දා ඔයාලා මේවා operation එකක් කරන්න කොහොමද calculations කරන්න ඒ ටික විතරයි දන්නේ. But when it comes to how to read this, actually you should know about this. Okay, sometime I have given you some short videos. You can refer them and check how we read a fraction, a power, especially when it comes to the powers. Okay, that means indices related questions. You should know how to read the power and how to read the fraction. Okay, those are very important, and especially then you should know that what are the operations relevant for the particular words. Of is replaced by multiplication, more than is replaced by addition, less than replaced by subtraction. Okay, those things are very important. I have shared some short videos that I have done on behalf of you actually. So refer them and learn them using those videos because it is very important. Huh? And also I request you all to buy a Western Province paper book. Have you buy it? So I අරගෙනද අර ගත්තු අය face hand කරන්න බලන්න. Western Province paper book එකක් ගත්තු කට්ටිය. එනයිද? දෙන්නයි. තුන් දෙනයි. නිකේතගේ අයියා ගයක නැද්ද පුතේ? නිකීතටයි අමීරට අරමීරට හරි. නිකීතා හරි. දැන් එහෙමනම් ඔයගොල්ලෝ perimeter and area අපි ඉවරයිනේ නේද? එහෙනම් you can do the perimeter and area related questions which are given in those papers. Okay, you can refer the papers first of all. Look at the second මොකද්ද? ඔයාලට පැය දෙකකින් ලියන්න තිබ්බ paper එක කොච්චර වෙලාවකින් වැඩි වෙලා තියෙනවද සම්පූර්ණයෙන්ම එක paper එකකින් වැඩි වෙනව නේද? පැය දෙකකින් ඔයගොල්ලෝ grade 9 වලදී ලියපු paper එක grade 10 වලට එනකොට first paper එකයි second paper එකයි කියලා papers දෙකක් එනවා. first paper එකට පැය දෙකයි second paper එකට පැය 3යි. ඔයාලා බැලුවොත් ඔයාලගේ දැන් Western Province 2018 second term test වගේ කියලා ගියොත් ඔයාලට පෙයි papers දෙකක් තියෙනවා. දෙකම ඔයගොල්ලෝ එක දවසේ ලියන්න ඕනේ. ඒතකොට maths වලට ඔයාලට papers දෙකටම 100 දීලා ඒ දෙන්නගේ ලකුණු එකතු කරලා ඒක දෙකට බෙදලා තමයි එන්නේ. එතකොට හැම වෙලේම first paper එකටයි second paper එකටයි දෙකටම more than 75 ගත්තොත් තමයි ඔයාලට above 75 marks ගන්න පුළුවන් වෙන්නේ paper එකට නේද? papers දෙකක් එනවා. ඒතකොට දෙකේම එකතුව ඒ කියන්නේ දෙකම 75ට වැඩි වුණොත් දෙකේම එකතු කරලා ඊට පස්සේ දෙකට බෙදුවාම 75ට වඩා වැඩි වෙන්නේ. එකක් හරි පොඩ්ඩක් අඩු වුණොත් 75කට වැඩිය ඔයාලගේ රිසල්ට් එක පොඩ්ඩක් එහෙම වෙන්න පුළුවන්. ඒක ස්කෝර් එක අඩු වෙන්න පුළුවන්. හරිද? ඒව හොඳට බලන්න. ඊට පස්සේ දැන් බලන්න ෆස්ට් පේපර් එකේ දැන් සෙකන්ඩ් පේපර් එකට නම් යන්නේ නැහැ area and perimeter related questions. first paper එකේ first 25 questions ඇතුලේ ඇති perimeter and area related questions. ඊළඟට first paper එකේ part B එකේ අර මම ගිය සතිය වලට අන්තිම ඔව් ගිය සතියේ කරේ මේ මොනවාද structured essay type questions. ඒකට ඒ වගේ questions ඇති part B වල. හරිද? ඉතින් ඔයාලා හරියට ඒක number එක මේ මොනවාද paper එකේ නම ලියලා first paper part A එකේ ප්‍රශ්නයක්ද part B එකේ ප්‍රශ්නයක්ද කියලා දාලා unit wise revision එකක් හරියට කරන්න perimeter and area lesson එකට. දෙකම එන්නේ එකට. ඒ කියන්නේ ඒ හින්දා ඔයාලට එච්චර අමාරු වෙන එකක් නැහැ. ඒ කියන්නේ වෙන වෙනමයි perimeter area කියලා separate වෙන්නේ නැහැ. දෙකම එකට එන්නේ හින්දා දෙකම එකට කරන්න. perimeter and area කියලා ලියාගෙන දෙකේම පාඩම් වලට අදාළ ප්‍රශ්න ටික කරන්න. ඊට පස්සේ කරලා එවන්න පුතේ මට. ඔයාලත් answers check කරගන්න සහ මටත් එවන්න. මට ඕන ඔයාලා කොහොමද unit wise revision එකක් කරාද සහ අනිවාර්යෙන්ම ඔයාලට කරද්දි ප්‍රශ්න එන්න පුළුවන්. හරිද? Now still you are beginners for this new grade, so you should have problems. Especially I want to check that how you have given the answers. What is the way that you have obtained the answer? The steps are very important. Okay? ඒ කියන්නේ ඔයාලා දැන් ප්‍රශ්න ලකුණු දෙකක් හම්බ වෙන ප්‍රශ්නකේ ලකුණු පහක් විතර ගන්න ප්‍රශ්නයක්ගේ දිගට හදලා නම් ලොකුවට ඔයාලා අනවශ්‍ය පියවර ලියලා නම් මට ඒවා බලන්න ඕනේ. එතකොට ඔයාලගේ ටයිම් එකේ ප්‍රශ්නයක් එනවා. එතකොට ඔයාලට වෙලාව මදි වෙනවා. පැය දෙකකින් ලියන්න තියෙන පේපර් එකට පැය 3ක් විතර ඔයාලට ඕන වෙනවා ලියන්න. එතකොට වෙලාව මදි වුණා කියන තමයි වෙන්නේ ෆස්ට් පේපර් එක. ඉතින් මේවා අපි හදා ගන්න ඕනේ ටර්ම් ටෙස්ට් එකට යන්න කලින්. ඒ හින්දා අනිවාර්යෙන්ම යුනිට් 5 perimeter and area වල unit wide revision එක කරලා මට ඕගොල්ලෝ next week Friday වලට කලින් අනිවාර්යෙන්ම එවන්න. හරිද? මොකද දැන් fractions ඉවර වුණාම ඊළඟට fraction lesson එකට යන්න ඕනේ. ඉතින් lesson ගොඩ ගහ ගන්න එපා. first term එකට lessons 10ක් විතර තියෙනවා. ඉතින් මේ 10ම අපි ඉවර කරන්න ඕනේ. 10ටම unit wise revision කරන්න ඕනේ. මොකද first term exam එනවා ඔයගොල්ලන්ට June end විතර වෙනකොට. හරිද? ඒකට ඒ වෙද්දි ඔයාලා මේ unit wise revisions ටික කරලා හරිද මේ lessons ඉවර වෙලා තියෙන්න ඕනේ. ඒ හින්දා වැඩ දැන් fraction ඊට පස්සේ ඔයාලට මේක lesson එක වැඩි වෙනකොට වැඩ ගොඩ ගැහුණාම කරන්න කම්මැලි හිතෙනවා. ඒ හින්දා ඉවර වෙන විදිහට මට කරලා එවන්න අනිවාර්යයෙන්ම මම check කරන්න ඕනේ ඔයගොල්ලන් කොහොමද දැන් ඉඳන්ම හැදුවොත් තමයි ඔයාලට ඇත්තටම හොඳ මාක් එකකට යන්න පුළුවන්. තාම ඔයගොල්ලෝ grade 10 මුල ඉන්නේ. grade 11 අයටත් මම මේ දේම කරනවා. ඉතින් grade 10 වල ඉඳන්ම ඔයගොල්ලෝ හරියට මේ ටික හදාගෙන කිසිම බයක් නැතුව ඒ පාස් එකකට යන්න පුළුවන් maths වලට. හරිද? හරි අපි යන්නේ ප්‍රශ්නෙට. 2/5 of this replaced by multiplication 1/2. Then 1 into 1 1, 5 into 1 5. Okay, third one, 1/3 of 21. Okay, look at this one. A whole number, that means 1/3 of 21. 21 තුනෙන් එකක් කියන එක. Guess what is the answer here? මොකක්ද ඔයාලට මේකට එන answer එක? Just Tanvi, tell me what is the answer you get?
1/63.
1/. No, you have. We do not take the reciprocal. Okay, of is replaced by multiplication and we do not take the reciprocal. Okay, why reciprocal? 1/21 කියලා අරගෙන. ඒක තමයි 62 වෙන්නේ. හොඳට මතක තියාගන්න. මේකත් ළමයි පටල ගන්න තැන. off term ඒ කියන්නේ අපි division වලට පස්සේනේ off කරන්නේ. එතකොට ඒගොල්ලෝ හිතනවා මේක convert වෙනවා කියලා. ඒක වෙන්නේ division එකකින් විතරයි. හරිද? off term එකේදී off is replaced by multiplication and second number or the fraction is kept as it is. Okay, so don't take the reciprocal. Then 21 divided by 3 is 7. 1 into 7, 7. පටල ගන්න එපා. හරිද? කොහොමද 7 ආපු කට්ටිය? Those who have got the answer as the 7. හරි. ඒක පැටලෙන්න පුළුවන්. සමහර අයට ඒක පැටලෙනවා. අදලා ගන්න එපා. හරි. හරි. අපි අද තව පොඩි word question එකකට කොහොමද කියලා. When you have to find fourth one, how much is 2/5 of 1,200 rupees? Okay, how much is 2/5 of 1,200? In this case, we extract this part. මෙන්න මේ part එක අපි ගන්නවා. Okay, so it is 2/5 of 1,200. Now, of term is replaced by multiplication 1,200. Then 1,200 divided by 5, which is 2, here 4, then multiply 0, 8, 4. So answer is 480. මොකද්ද උනේ? 2/5 of 1,200. Then 1,200 divided by 5 because of term is replaced by multiplication and divide 1,200 by 5. Here it is 2, 4, 240. Divide, multiply by. This is how we convert the word problem into a mathematical problem. Okay. Then fifth question, do this by yourself. What is the amount in meters 1/8 of 1 kilometers? Then what we have to do? What is the amount in meters? 1/8 of 1 kilometer. How we do? Now we extract this. So it becomes 1/8 of 1 kilometer. But we have to write it the answer in meters. Meters වලින් තමයි answer එක තියන්න තියෙන්නේ. එහෙනම් අපි මොකද කරන්නේ? Then convert the of-piece replaced by multiplication. Convert kilometers into meters. It is 1000 meters. Okay. Then 1000 divided by 8. It is 125. So the answer is 125 meters. Okay. Then after another kind of question related to this one. බලන්න. දැන් පටල ගන්න එපා හරිද? හොඳට ප්‍රශ්නේ තේරුම් ගන්න. It is given that 2/5 of certain amount is 500 rupees. Find the amount. What is mean by this question? බලන්න මේ ප්‍රශ්නෙට answer එක ඔයගොල්ලෝ ලියන්න බලන්න. Write the answer for this question. Yes, what is the answer here? Just generally, what is the answer you get?
1,500.
1,500. Yes, Nikita? What is the answer?
200.
200. Then Amira, Amira එවල තිබ්බනේ dance එක. Then Tanvi,
200.
200. Then who's the other one? Tashiana, what is that?
Not sure of the answer, teacher.
Doesn't matter. Tell me the answer, dear. Have you got any answer? මොකක් හරි answer එකක් ගත්තා නම් කියන්නකෝ. No. Okay. This is
1500.
okay. This is not. First of all, I want to say that it is not 2/5 of 500. If you have done this way, that means you have understood the question incorrectly. Okay, it is totally wrong. Because here in the now actually it is 2/5 of certain amount. නේද? මේ බලන්න මොකද ප්‍රශ්නයට බලුවොත් ඒකේ තියෙනවා 2/5 of certain amount is 500. හරි මම මේක පොඩ්ඩක් unknown term එකකින් හදුවොත් ඔන්න බලන්න මේක හදන්න පුළුවන්. 2/5 of certain amount is replaced by x. We don't know what is it. We have to find it. Is always is replaced by equal. Of is replaced by multiplication. Certain amount taken as x. Is equal to 500. මෙහෙම හදන්න ඕනේ මම මේක විදිහක් කියලා දෙන්නේ. Then 2/5 of is multiplication x equals 500. Now you have to find the what? You have to find x. Then x is equal to take the 5 into other side and divide by 2. පහ මේ පැත්තට ගෙනහිල්ලා එතකොට පහ මෙහෙට ගෙනිච්චාම 505න් වැඩි වෙනවා. මෙතන ඉතුරු වෙන්නේ 2x කියලා. 2x වලින් දෙක බෙදන්න. Then 250 is multiplied by 5. That means certain amount we obtain it is as 1250. Okay, did you understand that? Here, if you have multiplied 2/5 of 500, 2/5 multiply 500, then it is 200. No, I answer එකක් ආවේ නැහැ. හොඳයි. දැන් බලන්න එහෙම නැත්නම් මේක මෙහෙම හදන්න පුළුවන්. මොකද්ද කරන්න ඕනේ? අපි දන්නවා 2/5 කියලා කියන්නේ කොච්චරද? It is equal to 500. Then find 1/5. To find 1/5 divide by 2. It is 250. Then to find the 5 out of 5. Then certain amount එක වෙන 2/5 නම් 500 නම් 5 out of 5 certain amount can it is multiplied by 5. That means answer is 1250. Okay, this is the correct answer. This is also very important. You should be able to do the kind of calculations when it comes to the fraction lesson. Raise your hand those who understand this one. මේක හොඳට තේරුණා ඒක බලන්න. Okay, no doubts with you, no? Hurry. Then here today I am going to stop the class. Before that, I want to mention you that before the next class day, that means before the Vesak full moon poya day. හරිද අපිට next week එකේ ඉන්නේ Vesak poya දවස. ගොඩක් වෙලාවට මම class නවත්තන්නේ නැහැ class කරાવી. හරිද? එතකොට ඊට කලින් ඕගොල්ලෝ අනිවාර්යයෙන්ම මට අර unit wide tuition එක at least for the 2 or 3 question papers වලට ඔයගොල්ලෝ මට answers ලියලා එවන්න ඕනේ. ඒකේ papers සාමාන්‍ය 5ක් නැත්නම් 6ක් විතර ඇති. ඔයාලා ඒ කියන්නේ හැම paper එකකින්ම තියෙනවා first term ගත්තා, second term ගත්තා, third term ගත්තා. ඔය terms තුනේම තියෙනවා. මුලින් කරන්න ළමයි first term එකේ ඒවා. first term දෙකක් හෝ තුනක් ඇති. ඒ දෙක තුන කරලා මට එවන්න. හරිද? අනිවාර්යෙන් ප්‍රශ්න 3කට ඔක්කොම කරනවා නම් ගොඩක් හොඳයි. ප්‍රශ්න 3කටවත් හරියට ඕගොල්ලෝ මාව රවට්ටන්න එපා. ඒ කියන්නේ දැන් අවුරුදු කීයද ඔයාලට අවුරුදු දැන් ඔයාලා හරින අවුරුදු කිච්චරද 15ක ළමයිනේ නේද? එතකොට ඔයාලා බොරු කරන්න එපා. ටීචර් රවට්ටන්න එපා. එහෙම කරොත් කිසිම වැඩක් නැහැ. අනිවාර්යයෙන්ම පුතේ ඔයාලට තේරෙන විදිහට ඔයාලා දන්න විදිහට ඒක වැරදි වෙන්න පුළුවන්. උත්තරේ බැලුවාම මම මෙතඩ් එක වැරදි. ඔයාලගේ ආන්සර්ස් වැරදි. ඒ ප්‍රශ්නයක් නැහැ. ඔයාලා කරලා තියෙන එක මට එවන්න. එතනින් පස්සේ මම හිතන්නම් ඔයාලා කොහොමද ඒ ගාන හදන්න හිතලා තියෙන්නේ. මොකද්ද ඔයාලගේ වැරද්ද? ඔයාලා හිතපු විදිහ මට හොයාගන්න පුළුවන් වෙන්නේ එතකොට. හරියට උත්තරේ ගත්තා නම් හරි. වැරදියට උත්තරේ ගත්තා නම් මට මොකද්ද ඔයාලගේ වැරද්ද කියලා හරියට කියලා දෙන්න පුළුවන්. ඉතින් ඒකට ඕගොල්ලෝ මට වැඩ කරලා එවන්න ඕනේ පළවෙනි දේ. හරිද? එහෙනම් මම හැමෝගෙම බලාපොරොත්තු වෙනවා ඕගොල්ලෝ මොනවාද අපේ ගර්ල්ස් ළම 5 දෙනෙක් ඉන්නේ. හරිද? ඉතින් ඔයාලා ලස්සනට පිළිවෙලට මේකට වෙන පොතක් ගන්නවා නම් මම ගොඩක් කැමතියි. වෙස්ටර්න් ප්‍රොවින්ස් පේපර් බුක් එකට වෙනම පොතක් තියාගන්න. ඒකේ එතකොට පෙරිමිත ඒරියා ලෙසන් එකේ රිවිෂන් එක කරලා මට එවන්න. හරිද? Okay, then I will stop the class here. Then thank you for your participation. Goodbye. God bless you. Good night all.
Thank you, teacher. Good night.
Thank you, teacher. Good night, teacher.